Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can crop and change your photo background with a far cropped object only with your iPhone. So here I will modify this tutorial. You only need your iPhone and Instagram on your phone. Now you just need to open the photo library, and then you just need to pick which picture that you want to change the background. So let's say here I would like to change the background of this, and I would like to copy this object into for more copy it. So I would like to cut this object only from this photo. So first thing you have to do is make sure that you already update your iOS system into the newest, because the feature only available on the newest iPhone. Now you just need to tap into the object here and hold it. Tap and hold until there will be like a glazing shining across all of the object, and then you just need to tap copy. Now you just need to go back into your home screen. The next thing you need to do is just go open your Instagram and just directly slide your screen into the right side. And now you just need to go click the photo library, and then you just need to tap into the random picture. Let's say you want to do this, and then tap into the three small dots, click draw, and then you just need to pick the picture background for the newest one. I'll let you do with the brown. Tap and hold again, tap the screen and hold, and that will play coloring the whole area on the screen. Go click done. The next thing you need to do is just go click into the screen again, tap into the cursor and paste. Now you already got the first object. So if you want to make it become 5, you just need to adjust it into the specific area and do the same for the rest. Go tap into the screen, tap into the cursor, click paste. You got the second one. Let's do for the rest 3 pieces. Tap into the screen, click cursor, paste. We will get 4 cut for this object. This is could be the last one. Just do the same, tap into the cursor and paste. Now we already got these 4 pieces of the object that we got from the picture. Right after you're done, go click the 3 small dots and go click save. Now you just need to go back into your photo library, and then this is what you've got. So simple and easy. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.